Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. Got a multi-chart layout, 3 monthly. Have a look at these levels. I'm just going to mark up candle body here left, 3 monthly. And let's have a look and just see where we're trading, what we're trading into. There's a low right there, another touch here. So this is 3 monthly. We'll go down the time frames and I'll just show you what I'm looking at. This is an important level, to say the least. 3 monthly. What have I got back here? Wow, the FTSE, nothing much. Let's have a look at the monthly. Coincides with the 3 monthly quite nicely. See back here? Multiple touches, and now we're rejecting. Multiple touches, the monthly, we're rejecting. Multiple touches, we are rejecting. And the FTSE, well, here we go. Monthly. So 3 monthly and monthly, just pulling the same thing across. Down here we've got the VIX right there. Monthly, weekly. It's been banging away at this level, hasn't been able to crack it. Same thing here. Okay, so it's pushed up above slightly. Coincides, so this is a monthly and weekly combination. But look what we're starting to see here as well. Just have a look at this candle formations, this price action. Let me just grab a pencil. Look at this move here. And given that we're trading into resistance, if we were to pull a fib through this entire move here, do we see a pullback? Same thing with this, extend it out. Do we see a pullback? So that's my question. So we can see on the weekly, we've got these red candles and wicks above, giving us a little bit of a sign that we might see the stock markets possibly. I mean, they've been on a relentless bullish move recently, but my question is, well, how far are we going to go with that? Given the state of the economy and all the noise and whatnot around the banks and money, etc., world debt, and all the negativity we're seeing on YouTube at the moment. So here we go. Look, this is a daily. So we're seeing this pin bar above, red candle shaping up, pin bar, red candle. Look at the weakness here. Seeing a bit of fear coming into the VIX. We've got room to move. We've got a bit of a gap above here. We've got a bit of a gap under here. All right, so let's just mark this up. And are we in for? Let's just grab that candle. This is the daily level. All right, so these are key daily. I'm always a bit of a contrarian. Here we go. I'm just going to grab the candle body there. These are daily accumulation zones. I'll just come back down into this one. Daily levels. Now let's have a look at this on the 4H. Okay, that'll convert everything over. What does it look like? I'm reluctant to be buying at the moment with this, and I'm thinking, look, there's an argument either way, but I think we might see a little bit of downside. See how these trends, right, you get these strong moves, these rallies, they rally up it, but then what you get is this topping, and now we're seeing this bearish. So this range across the top here, is that setting up for same thing here? See, we've got more or less this double top, slightly higher high, but we've got this range bound price action on the 4H in comparison to the trend prior. Okay, so it's telling me that we're seeing some weakness coming into this. It's possible we could see the stock markets take a bit of a dive. Possibly, maybe not, but I would be a little bit careful at the moment, trading the markets. These are going to impact the currency markets. We've got the FTSE here starting to drop a little. See this sideways action, sideways price action up here. Okay, so I'm a little bit cautious right now. Look at that, Dow Jones. Right, there's no defining trend here. We are range bound. And my question is this going to rotate, and do we get a decent... This could be an opportunity for a decent short, but only if it sets up. So let's just see if we break this low, retest and fail, and we get we get an opportunity. Guys, smash the likes, comment, whatever. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And by the way, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So as we head into the end of the week, are we going to see big players start dumping the market? But it's just something to think about, a bit of food for thought. Okay, guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.